Hello friends, I am going to discuss with a topic called intellectual property rights. Now we have to see what is intellectual property and why we require it. And there is a demand in the market on the intellectual property rights. Now we say intellect means there are two words are there in the intellectual property right. Intellect means what is the intellectuals behind one's mind. And property means it is a property of the person who has that intellect in that particular inventions or the product or the articles. So we have to say that how this right is to be protected. Unless and until we protect these rights, nobody will come to express their intellectuals behind their minds. So unless and until you express, there cannot be any right in that particular person. So therefore, there are legislations, there is 10 number of subject matters where the protection under the intellectual property rights has been given. First one, we can see that the rights of artists, painters, musicians, sculptors, photographers and authors in their copyright in the work. Secondly, the right of computer programmers for their work in the as in the source or the object code or in the compilation of the data, which are protected under the Copyright Act, and they will protect under the copyright only, not under the patent. Right of producers, phonograms, photographs and producers of sound recordings, their copyright in their work has to be protected. Next, the right of trader in the trademark for their work. Right of an inventor for their product in particular article or the product for an invention. Right of computer technologists for their layout designs of integrated circuits for patent in their work developed by them. Right of the breeders in biodiversity for a patent in the new plant varieties grown by them. Rights of designers in their designs which is distinctive and which is striking to the eyes will be protected. Rights of the producers and manufacturers of geographical indication in relation to such products and produce will be protected. And lastly, that is rights of businessmen for the procedures of their undisclosed information on technology or the management for their business secrets. These are the subject matter which has to be protected under the intellectual property rights.